The concept of time value of money states that the value of a sum of money today is more than the value of the same amount of money in the future. That is, the value of rupee 1 today is more than the value of rupee 1 after 1 year. This can be attributed to the following factors. Number 1, money deposited in the bank today will provide income in the form of interest in the future. Number 2, money invested in some business today will provide some return in the future. And number 3, on account of inflation, the value of rupee 1 after 1 year will be less than the value of rupee 1 today. The purchasing power of money declines because of inflation. Friends, the present value of a sum of money to be received in future is found out by discounting technique. The formula for discounting is derived from the formula for calculating compound interest. In compound interest, the amount is equal to principal, that is P, into 1 plus R, that is rate of interest, divided by 100 to the power n, where n is the number of years. So P is the principal, R is equal to rate of interest, and n is equal to time period. Since discounting is just reverse of compounding, therefore present value is equal to P is equal to amount divided by 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. R is the rate of interest. So rate of interest is in percent, therefore it is written as R divided by 100. P is equal to A, that is amount, bracket 1 divided by 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n. Friends, now I am going to take one example which will make the concept of time value of money very clear to you. Mr. Y will receive rupees 1000 after 2 years. Rate of interest is equal to 10%. Find the present value. Friends, present value of rupee 1 to be received after 2 years with interest at the rate 10% is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus 0.1 to the power 2. 2 is the time period, number of years. And friends, 0.1 refers to the rate of interest. 10 upon 100 is equal to 0.1. So 0.1 is the rate of interest. 10 divided by 100. 10% means 10 divided by 100, that is 0.1, is equal to 1 divided by 1.1 to the power 2 is equal to 1 divided by 1.21 is equal to 0.826. In other words, the present value of rupee 1 to be received after 2 years is 0.826. Therefore, present value of rupees 1000 to be received after 2 years is equal to 1000 multiplied by 0.826, that is rupees 826. So friends, that's it for now, and I hope you have understood the concept of time value of money. And please continue watching my channel for more videos, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.